Do you want to save money while staying fashionable? It's a common misconception that fashion has to come with a hefty price tag. But today, we're breaking that myth apart and diving into the world of thrifting. Thrifting is not only a fantastic way to save money, but it's also an adventure, a treasure hunt, and a sustainable choice all rolled into one. So, how can you make the most of your thrifting experience? Here are some tried and true tips. First off, patience is key. Thrifting isn't about grabbing the first item you see. It's about taking your time, sifting through racks and finding those hidden gems. Secondly, keep an open mind. Thrifting is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Don't limit yourself to a specific list of items. Instead, embrace the thrill of the unknown and the joy of unexpected finds. Thirdly, check for quality. Just because it's secondhand doesn't mean it has to be second-rate. Look for well-made items, check for any damages, and don't be afraid to walk away if something isn't up to par. Fourthly, don't forget to try things on. Sizes can vary greatly, especially when dealing with vintage pieces. What might look too small or too big on the hanger might just be the perfect fit. Fifthly, think about versatility. When you're thrifting, consider how each piece will fit into your existing wardrobe. Can you think of at least 3 outfits you could create with it? If not, it might be best to leave it behind. Lastly, remember to wash your finds. Once you've brought your treasures home, give them a good clean. This will not only ensure they're fresh and ready to wear, but it will also give you the opportunity to check for any last-minute repairs they might need. To summarize, if you want to save money while staying fashionable, thrifting is an excellent choice. It requires patience, an open mind, a keen eye for quality, the willingness to try things on, a sense of versatility, and a good wash once you've brought your items home. With these tips in your fashion toolkit, you're ready to hit the thrift stores and start building your unique, budget-friendly, and stylish wardrobe. And remember, fashion isn't about how much you spend, but how you wear what you've got. So get out there, start thrifting, and unleash your personal style. Come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.